You ready for the workout? You're not even dressed. Go put on your workout clothes. I'll be here when you get back. I normally exercise twice daily, and you notice I didn't say workout because a lot of times I just kind of walk on my treadmill as I'm doing my social media, as I'm reading. I just like to keep the body moving. Usually the second time is my workout, and unfortunately it's not always consistent, nor is my schedule. But now that I'm going through the National Association of Sports Medicine training program, I'm realizing that's a problem. Hey guys, Tess Washington, MD, board certified physician and surgeon. On this channel, we focus on the optimization of your looks, love, wealth, and health. Today, let's talk about health. Try to move your body every single day. For a lot of people, I tell them just start with walking 10 minutes per day. The point behind that is the continuity and the consecutive days of doing an exercise, not unless you have been medically restricted by your doctor. And please read the disclaimer. I'm not giving medical advice, and if you have been advised different from what I'm telling you with regards to your physical regimen, you must follow the doctor who is your primary care physician. Back to the subject matter at hand. I exercise daily because it just that dopamine surge, guys, as it has been proven by researchers. 30 minutes on a treadmill is commonly equivalent to a 20 milligram antidepressant. This is the philosophy behind many business executives that start their day 4:30, 5 o'clock in the morning, standing outside the gym, waiting for it to open with their suit in the hanger bag, in the garment bag on their shoulder. They come out, man, they're ready to move that boardroom. They're ready to make some big decisions. Now, as you guys see, I have a lot of the equipment in my home. But even if you don't have the equipment in your home, you got YouTube. I know you do because you're watching me. I have a hack for you. Check this out. Even if you don't have the equipment in your house, if you got YouTube, that's your personal trainer. So how do you get to the YouTube video that you want to use for your workout personal trainer? Great question. I normally look at how much time do I have available to work out. Is it 10 minutes? Is it 5 minutes? Is it 15 minutes? And I literally type in 15-minute weight training or 15-minute abs. And then I just go through the videos, select the video, bada boom, bada bang, and I'm done. This is just an idea for you to use because a lot of people try to look at fitting working out or exercising in their schedule. Wrong. Incorporate it as a way of life. Let me put a little pressure on you. Did you know that your heart started beating 28 days after you were conceived? No, I didn't say after you were born. I said after you were conceived. Before your mom even knew she was pregnant with you, your heart was beating, and it hasn't stopped. Even now, while you're sitting here, watching me work out, your heart may be beating a little, but I'm just saying, give Mr. Heart a break, why don't you? All he wants is for you to exercise him. You take care of your heart, and your heart will take care of you. And your lungs, and it decreases the fat around your organs, the visceral fat, exactly, and it makes you feel a lot better mentally. Do you know exercise has been proven to improve cognitive function, and it keeps the synovial fluid going? Move it or lose it. As normal, guys, I'm coming to you as I am. No extra thrills and frills, just coming to you from a basic standpoint to show you moving your body is the best thing that you can do for your body. Hey, if this video just made you feel like, oh my God, I love that, which I hope it did. Push that like button, thumbs up. Don't forget to follow, share, drop a comment, and come on back for the next video on TestMD TV. See you next time. Take care.